Yo, what's up, world, man? It's your boy Brandon Tattoos, aka Brandon Codes, and today, uh, I'm bringing to you guys this. I got the Google page pulled up, and I need some inspiration on my next 3D design, and I want to make something not like a statue. Here my last, uh, here my last design. I'm holding it in my hand. It didn't come out all the way, but I want to make something a little bit more useful, like an ashtray. This came out pretty good. Let me see if I can bring it close to the camera. You see the detail on it? I got some ideas, but I don't want to make nothing that's flimsy that'll break off. You know, this kind of sturdy right here. This arm is. This solid. I'm gonna print another one, but I gotta add the necklace to this. I gotta draw the necklace, and I'm gonna add some more to it though. It look real. It came out real good. I'm happy with it, and I'm gonna add a head top for him. All right. So yeah, I'm on Google looking for inspiration. I'm gonna see what I need some art. Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, I like that. I like that. Hmm, that's pretty cool. What did y'all see? What I see? Is it showing all of it? Hmm. Oh, like a waterfall. The moon, Buddha sitting on the moon. Dragon, samurai. That would all make too. I'm definitely gonna make a hear no evil, see no evil, something. Not no skulls though. I wonder can I import art? A little Buddha ashtray, or incense holder. Oh, I like that one. Pretty cool. I like that. Kind of got some good ideas, y'all. But I want some. I really want some Egyptian art. see something y'all like, y'all want me to design, y'all can pre-order me anything and I just design it. You know, if you want me to design anything, just send me about $50 and I design it. But it won't. I ain't gonna spend that much time with $50 though. Nah, send me about $100. I'll send you a nice statue for $100. You can. It'll be about this size. I don't know, the Wi-Fi doing something to a nigga. Man, I feel like some pressure standing on me or some shit. Okay. I think I got some pretty good inspiration so far. Even if you guys want a Buddha or something, I'll make it happen. Let me see. Oh, Statue of Liberty. Of course, Nefertiti. It's hot. Hmm. I definitely need to create some new art. Michael Jackson and his monkey. That'd be funny. That dude look creepy. What was that? Sure did. And the fruit flies. Okay. Yeah, I think I gotta. Okay, how can I turn this into an ashtray? I could just have him. Um, Holding an ashtray. Something like that, maybe? Yeah. I think I'm gonna have him holding the ashtray. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to do it tonight. Kind of tired. I don't know if I'm gonna record it all because I'm just tired for real. But y'all, thanks for watching this long. If you stayed this long, I got some more things I got to do as far as with this other website software I need to sell. So I need to get that ready for tomorrow. Um, yeah, man. I want to do that. Have this 3D printed file together. Put the necklace on my statue and some more stuff. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Don't be surprised if I don't record the beginning process. I just um, show y'all shorts of it.